Alright, I'm gonna be trying out the bleach white tire cleaner, Black Magic. Yep. So this is what they look like. Possibly half fairy or something. Yo, I dig it. I don't know if you can. The light's messed up, but almost starts working immediately. And this is what they look like after. So, compared to what we started with till now, did a pretty good job. And some of these white balls, whenever they start aging, they start picking up this brownish tint. Can't seem to get rid of that, but all in all, man, pretty good job, I must say. I dig it.